Thursday the 28th.
It's Thursday, July 28th, 2016, and just wanted to capture this little bit of heaven hiking down from Gobbler's Knob. This is the bowl, amazing bowl on the northeast side of the mountain. We're looking down this huge expansive bowl, beautiful aspens at the bottom. And then the ridge leading up to Mount Raymond to the west.
You can see the summit of Raymond.
Salt Lake City in the distance, and the Great Salt Lake. And then looping around, there's the top of Mount Raymond. The bowl we've been coming down through. Looking up toward the top, up toward Gobbler's Knob summit. Amazing huge bowl. What do you think, Paul? 2 thumbs up?